chemical substance. A chemical substance is any material that has a fixed composition and definite property. What are examples of chemical substance? We have water, oxygen, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide, iron. A chemical substance are made up of atom, molecule, or ion. Types of chemical substance. A. Elements. An element is a pure substance made up of only one type of atom. Examples: hydrogen, oxygen, iron, gold. So we also have the characteristics of an element. Elements cannot be broken down by ordinary chemical method. An element can be found in periodic table. So the B part is compound. A compound is a pure substance formed when two or more elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio. What are the examples of a compound? We have water, carbon dioxide, ammonia, sodium chloride. Characteristics of a compound can be decomposed only by chemical means. Property differs from those of elements that form them. So the C part is mixture. What is a mixture? A mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are physically combined but not chemically joined. There is an examples of mixture. Number one, we have air. And what is inside air? We have oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and other gases. Salt dissolved in water, sugar dissolved in water, soil, milk, sand and water, concrete, fruit salad. There is a characteristic of mixture. They contain two or more substances. That is 1, 2. The substances are not chemically combined. Each substance keeps its own properties. 4. The components can be present in any proportion. They can be separated by physical method. No new substance is formed. There is no fixed chemical formula. We have two types of mixture. We have homogeneous mixture, and the second one is heterogeneous mixture. So in homogeneous mixture, acts a uniform composition throughout. You cannot distinguish the different components with your eyes. Example: salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, air, and brass. And brass contains of coppers and zinc. It has a characteristics. It appears as one substance. Same composition throughout. Particles are heavily distributed. The second, which is heterogeneous mixture, and heterogeneous mixture has a uniform composition. The different substances are usually being seen. Example: number one, we have sand and water. As you can see, when you mix it, you can easily see it. We have oil and water. We have soil. We have granite. And we also have a fruit salad. So what is the characteristic of heterogeneous? 1. Components are visible. 2. Uneven distribution. 3. Different parts have a different composition. So these are the characteristics. So I want you to try this for what you have able to learn from this class. The assignment is define a mixture. State 6 characteristics of mixture that you can able to think. Difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. State 5 difference between mixtures and compound. Mention 8 methods of separating mixture and give one example for each. Classify the following as homogeneous or heterogeneous. Air, mix, sand and water, salt solution, fruit salad, oil and water. Explain why iron filling and sulfur powder from a mixture before eating but form a compound after eating. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video to appropriate place. Thanks for watching this video.